What are the steps involved in converting a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning one?
Hello everyone! Today, we'll be discussing an exciting home improvement topic: how to convert a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning one. If you've been considering making this switch in your home, this guide will walk you through the process.
Why would you want to convert?
Understanding the motivation behind such a decision can help you decide if this project is right for you. Aesthetics. Many people prefer the traditional look and feel of a wood-burning fireplace. The crackling sound, smell of burning wood, and the visual appeal can be quite inviting. Heat. While gas fireplaces are efficient, wood-burning fireplaces can provide more radiant heat. Fuel cost. Depending on your location, firewood might be cheaper than gas.
What are the considerations before conversion?
Before jumping into the conversion process, you need to understand the key considerations. Safety. This should always be your top priority. Both types of fireplaces have safety concerns, but they differ significantly. Venting and chimney. Ensure that your chimney is suitable for wood burning. Gas fireplaces often use smaller, aluminum flues, while wood-burning ones require larger, lined flues. Local regulations. Check with your local municipality or fire department to find out if there are any regulations or restrictions on converting fireplaces.
Steps for conversion.
1. Hire a chimney sweep. Before starting, get your chimney inspected and cleaned by a professional. 2. Remove the gas logs and gas line. Ensure that the gas supply is turned off. Carefully disconnect the gas lines and remove the gas logs. 3. Inspect the firebox. Make sure it's in good condition and suitable for wood burning. If not, you might need to replace or repair it. 4. Upgrade the flue. As mentioned, wood-burning fireplaces require a different flue. You may need to install a stainless steel liner suitable for wood burning. 5. Add a damper. If your gas fireplace didn't have one, install a damper to control the draft. 6. Install grate and ash dump. A grate will hold the logs, while the ash dump allows for easy cleanup. 7. Check the hearth. Ensure it's up to code and can handle the embers and sparks from wood burning.
Post-conversion tips.
Once the conversion is complete, seasoned wood. Always burn dry, seasoned wood to reduce creosote buildup. Regular maintenance. Schedule yearly inspections and cleanings to maintain safety and efficiency. Install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. These are essential for any home, but especially for homes with wood-burning fireplaces. Converting a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning one can be a rewarding project, giving you the ambiance and warmth of natural fire. Always prioritize safety, hire professionals when needed, and enjoy your newly transformed hearth. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you take on this project, we wish you the best of luck. Stay warm,